welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your external mic not working. So if you want to use your external mic, maybe you are using OBS and you cannot come over to setting. When you come over to setting, come over to audio, click on audio. Right here, when you click on it, you're supposed to see your external mic here. Like right now, I'm using my laptop mic, so you're supposed to see your external mic. So if you can't find it here, I'm going to show you how to find it in this video. So all you have to do is go back to sound here. Right click on sound and you can open sound setting. All you have to do is come over to Windows, click on setting. Here you are going to click on sound. So as you can see, there is no external mic here showing. So this is laptop mic I'm using. So all you have to do is come over to this more setting, click on more setting, and here you are going to see your speakers that are available. You are going to click on recording. So here, as you can see, the USB microphone is plugged. So all you have to do is double click on it and you click on drop down menu. As you can see, it's disabled. So all you have to do is click on enable and click on OK. And here, click on OK again. And when you come up like this, as you can see, the USB microphone has been added to our app here. So if you close it and come over to your OBS Studio, click on setting again, click on audio, then click on drop down. So as you can see, this is the USB microphone that was not been found. So please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.